everyone, welcome to another one. In today's video we are unboxing the YF-6081 car media player. It is an infotainment system which packs a lot of features, boasts of Apple Carplay, Android Auto, MirrorLink, Bluetooth, SD card, USB. It packs a lot. Let's just dive right into the box. Here we have the wiring harness and then the user guide, which is also the installation guide. If you know what you are doing, it's really an easy thing to do. This box also packs a nice frame. It's a plastic frame for when you fit the thing into your dashboard area and there are like holes around. You can't use that to block it. It has also a nice premium feel remote control. To my surprise, the remote is very premium. The buttons are soft and nice. It feels very good, guys. So this is the head unit itself. It comes with a lot of USB ports. It has a USB-C up front. It has a USB-A. It has a micro SD card port on the front. It has 3 buttons: the forward, the play pause, which is also the power button, and then it has the backwards with the knob as the volume rocker. Taking a look at the back, it comes with all the standard ports for connecting the infotainment. It has the camera port for the reverse camera. It has a subwoofer port, the antenna for your radio. If you have a GPS, you can throw that in there. You have an external mic. It has the port. It has an additional USB at the back, which is for DVR. I think I checked it out. We are going to fix it and then we'll see how it does. So stay with me, get subscribed, and then I'll see you in the next one. Peace.